The courageous heart says, go and go. But the sinful mind says, no, no. And my dear, if you listen to your mind, it will never allow you to do anything that which is existentially enjoyable to you, and it scares you. It keeps you away from the things that are very important to you in your beautiful life. And finally, it makes you live only half or quarter of life. So my dear, if you want to live the full bottled life, if you want to live the full bottled life, then come over and embrace your courageous heart. And I know that you all know. Even Swami Vivekananda says, when there is a conflict between heart and mind, please follow your beautiful heart.